Are you looking for a local Colorado Front Range roofing expert? Denny's Roofing is here to make the roofing replacement process as stress-free as possible for you. We know it can be a headache, but our goal is to remove the rough from the roofing replacement process so you can enjoy your home or business in Colorado. We specialize in high-quality roofs for homes and businesses in Colorado. Our experienced team provides residential and commercial roofing that's guaranteed to last, so you can rest easy knowing your investment is safe. When it comes to roofing, you want a job done right. You want something that's secure, great-looking, and high quality. But most of all, you want it to be stress-free, and that's exactly what Denny's Roofing can do for you. Our 5-star service and installation procedures go above and beyond because our business depends on them. And we want every customer to be completely satisfied with their new roof. We're not a huge multi-layered company where you just become another job number. We're your local roofer and work hard to ensure you're taken care of like a friend, family member, or neighbor. Experience the difference yourself. Try us by taking the first step. Give us a call or send an email today and see how different we can be. Contact us today for a free roof inspection, consultation, or estimate. We won't pressure you into anything, and there are no obligations on either side. Let us earn your trust as we earn your business. Call us at 970-275-4012 to get a free quote on your roofing needs, or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com. We are your local roofing expert.